Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar chapter 7 THIS this, THAT that, THESE these, THOSE those. We are going to learn this, that, these, those. In the previous session, I had explained you what are these, that, these, those, how to use them. Right? Now we will do the exercise in our textbook. Let's do. Point at 3 things that are near you and say for each. This is. Now in this exercise what we have to do? We have to point 3 things. What we have to do? We have to point out 3 things that are near you. Means near you, नज़दीक में जो है. Near you means what? नज़दीक में जो है, अपने करीब में है. This is A. और क्या कहेंगे हम? This is A. Then point at 3 things that are not near you. 3 things that are not near you, जो आपके करीब में नहीं है. And say for each that is A. जो आपके करीब में नहीं है तो आप उन्हें क्या कहोगे? That is A. और जो आपके करीब में है, जो आपके नज़दीक में है, this is A. Write the names below. One has been done for you. और हमें क्या करना है? पिक्चर देखना है और हमें पता लगाना है पिक्चर देख के कि किसका पिक्चर है वो. And we have to write in the blanks given below. We'll do this exercise so you'll come to know. 1 number. This is a bed. Now you can see the finger, the pointing is what? This is a bed. Here the finger is showing you that the thing is near you. Near you means और नज़दीक, करीब में है. Second one, see the finger pointing. This is a, what is this picture? This is a picture of a tree. So TREE, tree. This is a tree. Third, look at the third picture. Now it is pointing and this picture of a glass. So what we have to say? This is a glass. This is a glass. GLASS, glass. Next, the picture pointing to the flower. So this is a flower. This is a flower. This is a flower. Now, did you follow this exercise? The picture which is near you, near us, near you, we have to use the word this. THIS, this. IS is a, BED, bed. Again THIS, this. IS is a, TREE, tree. THIS, this. IS is a, GLASS, glass. THIS, this. IS is a, FLOWER. This is a flower. This is a flower. So again we will say this is a bed. This is a tree. This is a glass. This is a flower. Now we'll go to the 5th number. Now you can see a finger is pointing to this picture, but you can see the distance is very far. It is far off. It is not near us. It is not near you. It is far from you. So what we have used? THAT, that. IS is ACAT, cat. That is a cat. That is a cat. Sixth number, you can see again the finger is pointing at the picture. But where is the picture? The picture is very very far. Picture कहाँ पे है? Picture काफ़ी दूर है. So what will you say? That is a rainbow. That is a rainbow. 7 number. Again the picture is pointing, but it is very far. So what will you say? That is a camel. That is a camel. That is a camel. Again you will point the finger. You can see at the picture, but the picture is far off. So what will you say? That is a book. That is a book. Again we will say that is a cat. That is a rainbow. That is a camel. That is a book. So did you find the difference? The picture which is near you, you can see over here. The picture which is near is, this is a, we have used. We have used THIS, this. The picture which is far, we have used THAT, that. What we have used? THAT, that. Let's learn. That is used for person, place or thing that is far from us. That कभी यूज़ होता है फॉर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के लिए, और वो जो बहुत ही दूर है. दिस इज़ यूज्ड फॉर पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग नियर अस. पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग दैट इज़ नियर अस. दिस कभी यूज़ होता है जो हमारे करीब में है, that is near us. This is used for a person, place or thing that is near us. Now we'll do another exercise. Now look at this picture. This is a watermelon. Now look at the girl. The girl is showing that the watermelon is this because it is near to her. Now same thing the girl is showing over here. That is a house. Now the girl is pointing at that is a house. So the picture of a house is very far from the girl. So we will say that is a house. Now again you can see second picture. A girl is there. That is a parrot. That is a parrot. This is a parrot. Why? Because this picture is near to the girl. Parrot is very near. So we will say this. What we will say? This. This is a parrot. But the bicycle is very far. So what the girl is pointing? That is a bicycle. That is a bicycle. So did you see? Again we will read. This is a watermelon. That is a house. This is a parrot. That is a bicycle. Okay, now we'll do the exercise. Match the expressions below with the correct pictures. What we have to do? Here pictures are given. Here the words or expressions are given. We have to do the matching. Looking at the words what is given over here. Now first one. That cat. Now can you see the picture? Over here what it says? That cat. What it says? That cat. Now that cat means what? The cat is far. So you can see we have drawn a line over here. It has become that cat. Now second, this pencil. So you can see the picture, the boy is holding the pencil and is writing something. So it is this pencil. Now that box, the boy is showing where is the box. So that box. This box, the girl is showing the box is very near to her. So it is this box. This cat, the cat is very near to the girl. So this cat. Once again we will do this exercise over here of matching. That cat, this pencil, that box, this box, this cat. Now we will go to the next page over here. These, now THESE, these is used for many persons, places or things that are near us. These हम कभी यूज़ करते हैं persons, places और things जो अपने करीब में है, जो हमारे करीब में होते हैं, हम these यूज़ करते हैं. और these कभी यूज़ होता है more than one. THOSE, those हम कभी यूज़ करते हैं. Those is used for many persons, places or things that are far from us. अपने से दूर है, far from us. That are far from us. These is used for more than one. Even those is also used for more than one. But these हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? जो चीज़ें हमारे करीब में है, नज़दीक में है. धोज हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? जो चीज़ हमारे से दूर है. ओके, नाउ दीज आर शूज़. The boy is showing these are shoes because shoes are near to the boy. The same boy is pointing, so you can see the boy is pointing over here. Those are puppies. Those why we have used because it is far off and it is more than one. You can see how many puppies are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have used ARER. Those are puppies. Now next, these are umbrellas. The sentence changes into plural. More than one, singular plural. अगर सिर्फ एक ही अम्ब्रेला है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे कि दिस इज़ ए अम्ब्रेला, दिस इज़ एन अम्ब्रेला. बट इफ अम्ब्रेला इज मोर देन वन, सो वी विल से these are umbrellas. You can see now the child is pointing to the cars. So what he is saying? Those are cars. Those are cars. So how many cars are there? More than one. So plural of car is cars. And what we have add ARER. So those are cars. Now we will do this exercise, children. Did you follow? Once again we will see. These are shoes. Those are puppies. These are umbrella. Those are cars. Let's practice. Now we'll do this exercise. Fill in the blanks with these, that, these, those. What we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks with these, that, these and those. So one number. Dash are birds. Now you can see the child is holding bird in his hand. So what it is? These are birds. It is very near to the child. So these are birds. Now what the child is showing? Trees. But the tree is very far. Tree जो है वो काफ़ी दूर है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Those are trees. Is नहीं लिख रहे हैं. is is not used because it is more than one. तो हमें ARER we have to write Don't forget that when we change it into plural. Now next, dash is a big aeroplane. See, the child is showing you the aeroplane, but the aeroplane is very far from the child. So what is used? That. And how many aeroplane are there? Only one. So here it is not plural, it is said that is a big aeroplane. Next, dash is a book. The child is reading a single book. So this is a book. Dash is a train. The girl is showing the train, but it is very far off. So what will you say? That is a train. That is a train. So once again we will see. These are birds. Those are trees. That is a big aeroplane. This is a book. That is a train. We'll go to the next page. Look at the picture of Venkatesh in this room. This boy name is what? Venkatesh. We have to look at this picture. Complete the sentences below using this, that, these, those. See if Venkatesh is near or far from the things he is talking about. अभी ये जो लड़का है वेंकटेश, यहाँ पे पिक्चर दिया गया है. इस पिक्चर के देखते हैं दिखाई देता है. What we see in this picture, the boy is there. The things the boy is near to it or the boy is far from it. The boy is near to it or the boy is far from it. We have to use this, that, these or those. This, that, these, those. Looking at the picture, we have to fill up the blanks. The first one is done. A1. These are my shoes. See, you can see the Venkatesh is showing these are my shoes. My aunt gave this to me as a gift. Aunt gave me as a gift to me. So this and this, because shoes are very near to Venkatesh. Second, this is my storybook. Mummy bought this for me. I love books. Now B1. Venkatesh, what he is doing? He is reading a storybook, but the book is very near to him. So what he is saying? This. And who bought for him? For his mother. So this. C. I also like to play badminton. See over here. This is my racket. Venkatesh likes to play badminton. So he is holding the racket near to him. नज़दीक में है उसके. So this is my racket. पास में है. D. I draw pictures. I draw picture with dash crayons. Now you can see crayons is plural. Over here he is saying he is having crayons also in his hand and is drawing. So what is saying? I draw pictures. I draw picture with these crayons. So what is the answer? These crayons. Because it is near to him and he is using plural many crayons to draw the pictures. He is having many crayons. Dash is my computer. See, Venkatesh is showing you computer. I play game on it. So Venkatesh is very near to computer. So he is using THIS, this. This is my computer. I play games on it. F. Dash are all my things. Venkatesh is showing all his things in his room. So he is far from it. So he has said that. THAT, that. That are all my things. Once again we will read, children. These are my shoes. My aunt gave this to me as a gift. This is my storybook. Mummy bought this for me. I love books. I also like to play badminton. This mummy bought this for me. This is my racket. I also like to play badminton. This is my racket. I draw pictures. I draw a picture with these crayons. This is my computer. I play games on it. That are all my things. Now over here activity B is there. It is on the page 54. Here we have to look at the sentences and we have to frame the question. What is this or what is that, or what are these, what are those. Remember to use this, that, these, those correctly. Now we'll go to the next page. Okay children, so we'll come to know the exercise. See, question and statement is what? This is a bat. The child is holding the bat near to him. So this is a bat. But question what we will frame out? हम question क्या लिखेंगे? What is this? What is this? So this is a bat. Now dash are mangoes up on the tree. सो मैंगोज जो है वो ट्री पे है, लेकिन बच्चा कहाँ पे खड़ा है? काफ़ी दूर, मैंगो से दूर है, राइट. सो व्हाट क्वेश्चन विल यू फ्रेम? व्हाट आर दोज? दोज आर मैंगोज. व्हाट इज दिस? द गर्ल इज आस्किंग. डैश इज ए वेरी प्रीटी फ्लावर. फ्लावर के करीब में है, सो दिस इज ए वेरी प्रीटी फ्लावर. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज ए टॉय स्टोर. यहाँ पे जो है वो बता रहे हैं कि वो लड़का कह रहा है कि जो टॉय स्टोर है लेकिन उससे काफ़ी दूर है. सो डैट इज़ ए टॉय स्टोर. व्हाट इज़ दैट? सो डैट इज़ द मून. द गर्ल इज शोइंग द मून फार ऑफ. सो डैट इज़ द मून. देन डैश आर बर्ड्स. द गर्ल इज़ वेरी नियर टू द बर्ड्स. सो व्हाट शी इज सेइंग? व्हाट आर दिस? दीज आर बर्ड्स. What are these? These are toys. The boys are playing with the toys. So we'll say these are toys. So once again we will read. What is this? This is a bat. What are those? Those are mangoes up on the trees. What is this? This is a very pretty flower. What is that? That is a toy store. What is that? That is the moon. What are these? These are birds. What are these? These are toys. So dear children, you have to do this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.